Welcome back all my dear students. Today I am going to teach you sentence and the topic based on this particular topic. I have already taught you this topic in my previous videos, but today I am going to teach you exercise based on this topic. Uh, Subject and predicate. Subject, as you already know, one who does something is called subject. So it's the subject. Next, predicate. The group of words which say something about the subject is called predicate. Now let's see these questions. The quality of apples was not good. You can find out the subject by asking question with who or which. If you have to find out the subject concerned with any person, then you will ask a question using who word inside your mind. And if you have to find out any subject which will be concerned with non-living thing, then you will ask question using which word inside your mind. So you have to remember it. Now let's try to apply who or which to find out subject right now. The quality of apples was not good. It's a sentence here. Now I have to find out subject and predicate. For subject, I will ask a question here. The quality of apples was not good. Which was not good? The quality of apples. So here the subject is the quality of apples and the rest of the group of words are predicate. Now let's see another example. The sun sets in the west. Who sets in the west? The answer is the sun. So the sun is here subject and rest of group of words are predicate. He knows you very well. Who knows you very well? The answer is he. So the subject is here he and the rest of the group of words are predicate. It was a lovely sight. Which was a lovely sight? The answer is it. So it is subject here and the rest of the group of words are predicate. Down did they go at once? Students, you can see here some difference in this particular sentence because this sentence is exclamatory sentence. Now you have to convert this sentence into affirmative sentence. By doing like that, you can find out subject and predicate easily. So let's see here how we can change this particular sentence into affirmative sentence. Down did they go at once? When we will change this sentence in affirmative sentence, then it will be seen like that. Down did they go at once? Now you see, they went down at once. Who went down at once? The answer is they. So they is subject here and the rest of the group of words are predicate. Let's see another example. We had a wonderful time. Who had a wonderful time? The answer is we. So the subject here is we and the rest of the group of words are predicate. What a beauty she is. Try to understand this sentence here. Here beauty means girl. Beauty, this word refers here girl. What a beauty she is means what a girl she is. You can change this sentence into affirmative sentence because this sentence is exclamatory sentence. To find out the subject and predicate, you have to change this exclamatory sentence into affirmative sentence. Let's see how you can change exclamatory sentence into affirmative sentence. What a beauty she is. If you will change this sentence into affirmative sentence, then this sentence will look like that. She is a beauty. Here, who is a beauty? The answer is she. So the subject is here she and the rest of the group of words are predicate. When did you leave for Simla? Students, this particular sentence is interrogative sentence. so that you have to convert the sentence in affirmative sentence. You left for Simla, it's an affirmative sentence. Now we have to find out the subject. Who left for Simla? The answer is you. So here the subject is you and the rest of the group of words are predicate in this sentence. So in this way, I hope that you have understood how to find out the subject and predicate in the sentences. Um, in this video, I am going to conclude here. In the next video, I will teach you the next exercise concerned on this topic. Till then, goodbye everyone.